Welcome to a new video on trading for beginners. Today in this video I am going to teach you how you can collect email address from any of the web page. For this, simply we have to install a Chrome extension which is absolutely free. Now visit to Chrome Web Store in order to add this extension. In the search bar, search email extractor. There are multiple web extensions for performing this similar task, and I am using this email extractor because it have a highest rating number. Open this and you will see this option to add to Chrome. If you want to learn more about this extension, then simply you can scroll it and learn of this, and also you can see this review. Now click on this add to Chrome. A simple pop-up will be appear and click on this add extension. Our extension has been successfully added. Now click on this extension icon and pin this email extractor so it will be easy for you. Now search some demo email list from Google to test this web extension. Search demo email address list, and here are list of email address. Now I don't need to look up on this manually. Simply I will scroll it and I will click on this Chrome extension, and I will get all these email containing on this web page as a list, and also I can download this list as txt or csv file. For this, click on this select. It will select all the emails from a page. You can also unselect some of the email if you don't want. Click on this txt or csv file so that it will save a copy of this email address to your device. I hope you love this video and find it helpful. If you love this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And also in this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading videos related to free stuffs, free online tools, free AI tools, and many other topics. So don't forget to press the subscribe button for trading for beginners, and also hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.